the Mpow H18 Bluetooth headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Mpow H18 Bluetooth headphones. These have active noise cancellation and come in at about $50. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, and give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get your standard user guide, an audio cable and a micro USB cable for charging, and a storage bag. The H18 features 30 hours of playtime with active noise cancellation on and 50 hours with ANC off. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 4.1, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it has 40mm drivers. Just like the previous models of the Mpow headphones that I've reviewed, these feel light and it has a smooth plastic band. The ear indicators are marked on the inner band and the ear cups rotate and fold in. There is adequate padding for each of the ear cups. And you also get that same comfort with it on the top of the headband. As far as the adjustments go, there's a good amount of travel on each side. And you can see that it's very flexible and it should fit fairly large heads with no issues. On the outer ear cup, it has the branding and it's lined with a chrome accent. On the left side, you'll find the ANC switch, the micro USB charge port, and the charging indicator. On the right side, you have the LED indicator, power and Bluetooth button, the playback controls, audio port, and microphone. The headphones weigh in at roughly 258 grams. Now for some audio samples. This will provide you a glimpse of what they would sound like. Of course, there is nothing like having them on for the true sounds. The microphone was okay, nothing exceptional for what you would expect with headphones. Testing video on an iOS device, I didn't notice any latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Mpow H18, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signature. They were fairly comfortable and along the lines of the previous Mpow headphones I've reviewed. The ear cups provide a decent amount of padding and the headband was not too tight at all. Button controls are easy to navigate once you familiarize yourself with the placement and function. Build quality is decent. It has a plastic feel all around and it feels durable. I like the fact that it can fold in for easier storage and it has a long battery life. I would have liked to seen a hard case for storage rather than the pouch. Now when it comes to sound, I believe that this falls more on the warm side. It has a good amount of deep bass and it can be overwhelming at times if you have the volume way up to the point where you can feel the ear cups move. Mids and highs come in clear but not as prominent. having the active noise cancellation feature turned on also gives it that extra push and the overall sounds get loud. The ANC, I would say, was just okay. It does block out a lot of the low frequency noise, just like the H12 that I've reviewed in the past. If I were to compare this to the Mpow H12, I would say this is for those that really like the bass and the warm sound signature. The H12 is for those that like more of a balanced sound. So depending on what you're looking for, Mpow is sure to meet a wide range of listeners, and you can do it on a budget. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.